Good day, Miss Mabuhay. My name is Jared Lee Utlang, and today I'll discuss about the 5 communication-related cultural discrepancies of Jamaica compared to Philippines. First is the directness and indirectness. In Jamaica, people are usually straight to the point. If something's wrong, they likely tell you bluntly, but not necessarily disrespectful. It's just part of being real. While in the Philippines, people tend to be more indirect to avoid hurting feelings or causing tensions. They often soften what they want to say. Second is the way of politeness. Jamaican shows respect through tone in title like Miss, Sir, or Auntie, especially for elders. But the language itself doesn't really change depending on who you're talking to. On the other hand, Filipino use specific polite words like po and opo when talking to someone older or in authority. It's not just about the tone, it's part of the actual language. Third is the volume and expressiveness. In public, Jamaican tends to be more expressive and talking loudly. Doesn't mean someone's angry, it just means that they are passionate or excited. But Filipinos often speak softly and humbly in public, especially when talking to strangers or authority. Loudness may be seen as rude or mayabang. Fourth is the humor and sarcasm. Jamaicans love to joke, teasing, and sarcasm are normal even in the serious conversation. It's a way of connecting and keeping things light. Here in Philippines, humor is used too, but in public it's often more careful and respectful, especially with strangers or authority figures. Sarcasm can be misunderstood or seem as rude. Lastly is how people talk to authority. In Jamaica, people are respectful, but they won't shy away from disagreeing even with a boss or teacher, especially if they feel strongly. But here in the Philippines, people usually speak to authority figures with a lot of formality and caution. They avoid saying no directly and may sugarcoat disagreement. That's all. Thank you and mabuhay.